Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to take vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, plays a crucial role in converting food into energy and supporting a healthy nervous system. For most adults, a daily intake of about 1.1 to 1.2 milligrams is sufficient. However, if you have a deficiency, your doctor might recommend a higher dose, perhaps 100 milligrams or more, to help restore your levels effectively. When it comes to taking vitamin B1, timing and form matter. You'll find thiamine in various oral supplements like tablets or capsules. It's generally best to take your supplement with a meal. This helps your body absorb it more efficiently and can prevent any potential stomach discomfort. Establishing a routine, taking it at the same time daily, will help you stay consistent. Remember, you also get thiamine from many foods, including whole grains and lean meats. Beyond basic energy, vitamin B1 offers several key benefits. It's crucial for proper nerve function and helps your body convert carbohydrates into usable energy. Thiamine also plays a role in maintaining a healthy heart and a strong immune system. Certain groups, such as those with alcoholism or specific medical conditions, often have higher thiamine requirements. Additionally, pregnant or breastfeeding individuals may need more to support both their health and their baby's development. While vitamin B1 is generally very safe and rarely causes side effects, it's always wise to exercise caution. Before you begin any new supplement, including thiamine, please consult with a healthcare professional. This is especially important if you are currently taking other medications or have any underlying health conditions. If you notice any unusual or concerning symptoms after starting your vitamin B1 supplement, do not hesitate to seek medical advice promptly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.